Welcome to Bacchus&Heph. The history of Harley-Davidson, one of the most iconic motorcycle brands in the world, is a testament to American innovation, resilience, and the spirit of freedom. Founded in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, the story of Harley-Davidson unfolds over more than a century, marked by highs and lows, and an enduring legacy in motorcycle culture. Harley-Davidson was founded in 1903 by William S. Harley, Arthur Davidson, Walter Davidson, and William A. Davidson. William S. Harley, who was only 21 years old at the time, completed a blueprint drawing of an engine designed to fit into a bicycle frame. By 1903, they had produced their first motorcycle, a simple engine placed on a bicycle frame. They set up shop in a small wooden shed bearing the iconic Harley-Davidson Motor Company script. The company quickly grew, moving from the wooden shed to a purpose-built factory and increasing production. By 1909, Harley-Davidson introduced its first V-twin engine, which would become a defining feature of its motorcycles. During World War I, the company contributed to the war effort by producing thousands of motorcycles for the U.S. military. The Roaring Twenties and the Great Depression, 1920s, 1930s. The 1920s were a golden era for Harley-Davidson, with the company becoming the largest motorcycle manufacturer in the world. It introduced several iconic models and innovations, including the teardrop gas tank and the bar and shield logo that would become synonymous with the brand. However, the Great Depression hit Harley-Davidson hard, as it did with most companies worldwide. Despite the economic downturn, the company managed to survive by diversifying its products, including manufacturing industrial power plants and continuing to innovate with new motorcycle models. World War II again saw Harley-Davidson contributing to the military effort, producing over 90,000 motorcycles for the Allies. Post-war America experienced a motorcycle boom, and Harley-Davidson benefited significantly. The company continued to innovate with new models and improvements, including the introduction of the hydraulic front fork. The 1960s and 1970s brought new challenges with intense competition from Japanese motorcycle manufacturers. In 1969, Harley-Davidson merged with the American Machine and Foundry, AMF, but the partnership led to quality control issues and a tarnished brand reputation. The company struggled during these years, but in 1981, a group of investors led by Vaughn Beals and Willie G. Davidson bought the company back in a leveraged buyout, signaling the beginning of a revival. The 1980s saw a return to quality and the introduction of the Evolution engine, which helped restore the brand's reputation. In the 1990s and 2000s, Harley-Davidson experienced a resurgence, tapping into a broad demographic with a range of models, including the Sportster, Dyna, and Softail. The company also embraced its heritage, capitalizing on the nostalgia and loyalty of its customer base. It expanded globally and continued to innovate with new technologies and models. Did you know that? The Harley-Davidson Model 1 was the first motorcycle produced by Harley-Davidson. The purchase price was $200. 38 copies were made. The first Harley-Davidson dealer was C.H. Lang of Chicago, Illinois, who opened his shop for business in 1904, selling 3 bikes from the 5 built in the Davidson backyard shed. In 1906, Harley and the Davidson brothers built their first factory on Chestnut Street, later Juneau Avenue, at the current location of Harley-Davidson's corporate headquarters. Harley-Davidson entered the racing scene in 1914 at the Dodge City 300, from where the nickname the Hogs came from. In 1921, Otto Walker set a record on a Harley-Davidson as the first motorcycle to win a race at an average speed greater than 100 mph, 160 km/h. Many Harley-Davidson clubs exist nowadays around the world. The oldest one, founded in 1928, is in Prague. The classic Harley-Davidson engines are V-twin engines with a 45 bonding angle between the cylinders. Harley-Davidson's Live Wire, released in 2019, is their first electric vehicle. The high-voltage battery provides a minimum city range of 98 miles, 158 kilometers. And that, the Harley-Davidson Sportster, first introduced in 1957, is renowned for revolutionizing motorcycling with its powerful engine and lightweight design. The most popular and the best-selling of all time. Today, Harley-Davidson is not just a motorcycle manufacturer, it's a symbol of American freedom and individualism. The company has navigated through ups and downs by evolving with the times while staying true to its core values. Harley-Davidson's legacy is celebrated in motorcycle culture, museums and clubs around the world, embodying a spirit of adventure and the pursuit of the open road. Like and subscribe to Bacchus&heph. Thanks for watching.